Hi, it's Liz from Sew4Home, and I want to talk a little bit about one of my favorite sections at fabric retailers, the home dec department. I love these fabrics because, the motifs tend to be larger, the colors are more saturated, and there's a variety of surface textures. Just really fun stuff all around. So we dove into this department to design a striking decorative pillow, the Upholstery Fabric Lumbar Pillow. This pillow brings together a beautiful blend of upholstery fabrics with some classic home dec finishes like the tassels and the piping and button closures on the back. These kind of fabrics are heavier and thicker than something like a quilting cotton. So working with them might seem intimidating, but with the proper machine settings, the right presser feet, needles, and a few of our favorite tips, you can do it quite easily. This pillow came about not just because of our love of these great fabrics, but also as a good lesson in what a difference it makes to surround yourself with the best machine and the right tools. Now, if you're Sew4Home regular, you probably know we're a Janome exclusive studio, and they are known throughout the industry for machines that are super precise, reliable, powerful, and easy to use. So with that excellent starting point in place, make sure that you pull out the best presser feet to use and the best notions. Here are the feet that we used, and then we made sure that we had the right needle and quality supplies. So to break it down to some easy to remember points, when tackling thicker layers, the top 3 machine things to remember are: keep your presser foot level. Make sure your needle is sharp and slightly lengthen the stitch. Then as the machine operator, that would be you need to remember to go slowly and carefully. Let the machine do the majority of the work. Don't aggressively push or pull the fabric. And practice on layers of scraps of the actual fabric first to confirm that the stitch settings are correct for the situation. And, a couple other top tips. Keep your hems to a minimum. They can really leave a lumpy edge in thick fabric. So instead, if the edge is going to be hidden inside, consider just finishing it with like an overcast stitch. So you're just working with one layer. And rather than flat buttons, use a shank button. They ride a bit higher on the surface, making it easier to button and unbutton thick fabrics. So the details really made the difference on this pillow project. The cuts you need are on the small size. There might even be something hiding in your specialty stash. If you're out shopping, try looking for remnants, or you can even ask if they have any out-of-stock upholstery sample books. They often feature quite large pieces of the fabric in those books. As always, we have detailed step-by-step instructions, including how to make your own piping and your own tassels. You can find it all free now at Sew4Home, thanks in part to a sponsorship from our friends at Janome America. Thanks for listening, and happy sewing!